of debugging, fun from debugging, learning by debugging. So let us look into some programs and see what we can learn from those programs. And here is a program. This was there in the previous video where the sum of the factorials of a series was found, like factorial of 1 plus factorial of 2 up to 5. So the question is, find the sum of the factorial of the numbers from 1 to 5, where 1 factorial of a number is the product of the numbers from 1 to itself. So there is a double thing happening. One is to find the product of the numbers and then add those products. Now it's better to split the work into two halves. In one part, there is a method, and in the other part, there is the main. Now please look into this code very, very carefully and see, can you find any mistake here? It's your time to pause the video and look at it. Now I am going to show what is going to look like in the Java BlueJ and then how to get that to execution. So this is the code with Java BlueJ screen, like on Java BlueJ platform. How do you think this is going to show you what is going on? There is a red mark given by the compiler indicating some syntax error. Let me click here. Reach the end of file while parsing. As you can see, the colors are also saying that no, the brackets are not closed. All the brackets, unless and until they are closed, this error will remain. Additionally, the margins are not okay. So the process of putting the margins is Control Shift I. See, it has come to proper margin. This kind of margin is very, very important to picturize or understand what is going on. Now, the next thing, I don't think there is any syntax error. No syntax error. See, there is no red color on the line numbers. So, we come to the next. What is the next point that we will see? That is the question's answer going to give me correct output? So, let me run the program and show you what is the execution of this program resulting to. Here is the project and here I will run the main, right? In the main, what I can show you is this. Oh no, the main is showing the sum of factorials from 1 to 5 is 0, and that also so many times. That means there is some error. What? So, let us understand, try to understand. F is finding the factorial and this is to be added. Now this F, okay. This F is a member of main. So this F has got no connection with this F which is a member of the method. So these two F's are not connected. So here every time this F which is not getting any value from this method. So this is remaining 0 every time. Additionally, S is also 0. So 0 plus 0 is ending up in 0 so many times. Sum of factorials, that means I have to return this factorial from this method. Now here also, look at the starting value of factorial. Should it be 0 or should it be 1? And this has to be returned from the method. If you don't return it in the calling or in the super function, how will it know what? Now, in order to show you the difference between that variable and this variable, I am using FSE. Now, you knew that the previous one there was this thing was done and the answer was coming to how much? Do the maths part and see what is the answer expected as. Now, I compiled it. I can see there is no error. And let me run this time. What is the output? Oh, the answer is coming. Correctly, 153 was the answer. Another thing, is the result supposed to get printed again and again or only one time? If the result is supposed to be printed one time, it should be out of the loop. And it is to be printed again and again, then it is supposed to stay inside the loop. Now look at this carefully. If you want, you can take the control the statement out of this for loop, and then you will get to see the output. Okay.